Okay, good evening. Welcome to the bench. My name is Carl Sarpolis, and I like to work on old cars and machine things and do all kinds of automotive and entertaining metalworking type projects. The project we have today is working on two 1968 Oldsmobile W-30 distributors. A friend sent me these distributors, and one was restored, and supposedly the original one that he paid a little bit of money for, unfortunately. The other one is an original, missing some parts. But both of these have the date or the ID number of 1111468. That means these are used in a 1968 Oldsmobile 400 engine with automatic transmission in the 442s. They're also used in the 1968 W-30 442s, both automatic and manual transmissions. The third use on these were the 1968 Hurst Oldsmobile W-45, which was a non-air version car of the Hurst Olds, and that used the same distributor as these. Now, getting back to these, again, this is an original one and has the correct number in it. It also has a 7K26 date code, so it's obviously it was late in the model year of 1960 or late 1967 in the 68 model year. It's missing some parts. Doesn't have the weights, the springs. It does have the correct 78 stamped shaft and cam, which we're going to use. It does have the correct 524 plate that is used with the weights, and we'll have to see if we can find some springs for it. It does not have the correct vacuum advance. The vacuum advance on this has a 35515, which looks like maybe a Chevrolet vacuum advance that somebody installed on this, but the housing's correct, the cam is correct, and the shaft is correct. So we're going to use this. We're going to restore this one and add some parts for it for my friend. The other one he bought, unfortunately, he paid probably too much money for. I don't know what he paid exactly, but it does have the right 1111468 ID number on it. It has an 8C26 date code. Obviously, this is a fake. The housing has a square part in the casting here, which did not come out till like 1971 or 72. So had it 72 date code, it might have possibly been a Delco Remy replacement that was made later on, but this is obviously a fake. Somebody machined it down and restamped it. It does not have the correct cam up here, the shaft cam. That's wrong. The weights may be correct. The springs are two different types of springs, so they're not right. It does have an Oldsmobile vacuum advance, and that's a 40824. So the real part number that would be 1973 40824. What it needs to have is a 1973 41816. And the 24 and the 16 number means how much advance this vacuum advance will give you. That's half the number. So 24 means this would give you 12 degrees of vacuum advance. The 16 would give you 8. So we're going to take these apart and work on them. I was thinking, just for the heck of it, I was going to run this on the Sun machine here, and just to see if this thing would work and how good it would work. So I may do that in the next portion of this video here, the next video. But he did buy two replacement Borg Warner V372 vacuum advances, which were the correct replacement number for the 416, the 1973 416. So we're going to do some work on these things in the sequential videos as I go along here, and we'll go from there. We'll see the next one. Bye. Okay, turn this off. This is still running.